Hello with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is Spendee app, what is Spendee budget and expense application. So you can see the rating of the 4.5 out of 5. So when you get any of the app is more than 4, so you consider that the app is really amazing, and 46k reviews and 28 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already download this app. So now what is Spendee? Like, get your money under control with easy to use finance manager in your pocket. It means that how much money you spend in a month, you can set a goal. Like, you can compare with your income and earning and expenditure. Okay, for example, if you go there and check, like, see your money in one place, you can see all your money. You can add your credit card and how much money you spend on your food and drink, rent, grocery, medicine, health. You can see all the things here, and you can see optimize your spending habits. So you can optimize. If you spend a lot without meaningful, then you can set the goal, and every history it will be saved here. You can check, you can compare, like, your previous month and upcoming month, learn thought, personal insight. So use in the dark mode is there many things and what others say about us. So this size give the good ratings. If you really want to learn more about this app, then go here and just make your money sign. So, like, see all of your money in one place, organizes, analyzes your expense, optimize your spendings, learn through personal sites. More key feature, here is some feature you can read, like award-winning design. It's really amazing design. So what you need to do, you need to tap the install button. It takes few time to install, it notifies. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.